Hey there, zookeepers! Here's how to get habitat blueprints in Planet Zoo. There are actually preset habitats you can unlock in the game, which can save you time from manually building an animal's habitat from scratch. They're especially useful if you just want a good starting layout that you can customize later. To unlock them, click on the Zoo button in the lower left corner of your screen to open the Zoo overview. From there, click on the Flask and Wrench icon to open Mechanic Research. Here you'll find different researchable structures and improvements for your zoo. Scroll down until you find Habitat Research. Click on it and you'll see different tiers of habitat blueprints available for research. To start researching one, return to the research window and drag one of your available mechanics onto the habitat research category. This will begin the research process. Research can take some time, so you can either continue managing your zoo while you wait or speed up the game using the game speed controls to get it done faster. Once the research is complete, you'll receive an alert on the left side of your screen, and the habitat blueprints associated with that research tier will become available to build. You can find them under the Habitat Build menu. The habitat blueprints are usually some of the most expensive options in the selection, so they're pretty easy to spot. If you've just unlocked one, you'll also see a magenta dot on the upper right corner of its thumbnail. Simply select the habitat blueprint you want and place it in your zoo. You can also modify the blueprint afterward if you want to adjust its layout, which makes them useful as a starting point for your own habitat designs. And if you want more options, simply continue researching the higher tiers of habitat research to unlock additional blueprints. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.